Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let us continue the lesson The Little Girl. In our previous session we came to know that little girl Kezia used to stammer or stutter while she was talking in front of her father. Actually she was afraid of her father's physical appearance. He was looking like a giant for her. So she was fearful towards her father. Now let us continue the lesson. On Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. But the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa, his handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. Yes, Sunday, her father used to be there in the house itself. There was no office work. So, on Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have nice talk with her father and mother. Grandmother used to tell, yeah, today your father and mother are there in the house. You go and talk to them. Go to the drawing room. Like that. Grandmother used to send her to the drawing room. But the little girl always found mother reading. When she used to come to talk to her father and mother, she always found her mother was reading. And father stretched out on sofa. Father used to stretch it out on sofa. Okay, in the picture also you can see this one. He used to stretch out on sofa. His handkerchief on his face, and he used to cover his face with his handkerchief. His feet on one of the best cushions, and he used to keep his feet on one of the cushions. Cushions mean pillow. Okay. Or we can say that a bag of cloth stuffed with a mass of soft material used as a comfortable support for sitting or leaning on. Okay. Sleeping soundly and snoring. He was sleeping and he was snoring. She sat on a stool, gravely watched him until he woke and stretched and asked the time, then looked at her. Yes, she did not want to disturb her father, that's why she sat on a stool. Gravely watched. Gravely means seriously. Seriously, she watched her father until he woke. Okay, until he woke, she used to watch him and stretch. He used to stretch himself after waking up. And asked the time. Then looked at her. He asked the time and he looked at her. Don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. Okay. She was sitting on the stool and she was constantly looking towards her father, and her father saw her and he said, don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. Okay, you are looking like a little brown owl. One day, when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week and suggested she should make him a pin cushion for a gift out of beautiful piece of yellow silk. Yes, one day It was very cold. She was there inside the room, and her grandmother told her that father's birthday was the next week. Next week, her father's birthday was there, and grandmother also suggested she should make a pin cushion for gift out of beautiful piece of yellow silk. By using the yellow silk cloth, you make one a pin cushion as a birthday gift for your, you can give that pin cushion as a birthday gift for your father. Okay, like that, grandmother suggested to little girl Kezia. Laboriously, with a double cotton, the little girl stitched three sides. But what to fill it with? That was the question. The grandmother was out in the garden and she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. Okay. Laboriously means with a lot of effort or difficulty. With a lot of effort or difficulty. Yeah, with difficulty. The little girl stitched three sides of the double cotton. Okay, she stitched three sides of the double cotton. Now, inside that, she has to put things, some things, scraps inside that, and after that, she has to stitch fourth side. Okay, stitched three sides, but what to fill it with? Now, a question arises. What to fill it with? What she has to fill inside the bag? That was the question. The grandmother was out in the garden. Grandmother, she was working in the garden, and she wandered into mother's bedroom. She wandered. Wandered means went into by chance, not intentionally. She was searching something, some things to keep inside the bag. So, while she was searching, so she entered her mother's room by chance. Okay. To look for scraps. She was in search of scraps. Scraps mean small pieces of cloth or paper that are not needed. Waste cloth or paper in order to fill inside that cushion. On the bed table, she discovered a great many sheets of fine paper, gathered them up, tore them into tiny pieces, and stuffed her case. Then sewed up the fourth side. See that. Then on the bed table, she discovered a great many sheets of paper. Okay, there were many sheets of paper. She gathered them all and she tore them into tiny pieces and she stuffed them inside that stitched cloth. Okay, and after that she sewed up fourth side. Now the pin cushion is completely prepared. Okay. That night there was a hue and cry in the house. Father's great speech for the port authority had been lost. Rooms were searched, servants questioned. Finally, mother came into Kezia's room. That night, there was a hue and cry in the house. Hue and cry mean angry protest. Father was screaming in a loud voice. He was very angry. Father's great speech for port authority had been lost. Father's great speech, he had written some speech for the port authority. Port authority, it is the company in which father was working. Okay. So for that authority he wrote a speech. That speech papers were missed. Rooms were searched. They searched in all the rooms. Servants questioned. They asked the servants. Finally, mother came into KGR's room. At last, mother came to KGR's room. KGR, I suppose you didn't see some papers on a table in our room. I think you have not seen those papers on my tables. Some important papers were there. You have not seen, I think so. Mother said, oh yes. She said, I tore them up for my surprise. Then Kezia accepted, yes, I have torn them into tiny pieces. Okay. What? Screamed mother. Then mother became very angry and she said, what? Come straight down to the dining room this instant. Now itself. You come to the dining room. Now, this instant, immediately, you come to dining room. Like that, mother said to Kezia. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.